So guys, as you already know that the remaining board examinations, they are going to be conducted both for ICSE as well as ISC 2020, and it is officially announced by the council through the notice which was released on 1st of May 2020 that the remaining examinations, they are going to be conducted, and you will be informed 8 days prior to the commencement of the examinations. So now many students, they are not happy with the decision of the council is that the exams are going to be conducted, it is not cancelled, and at the same time we see that the lockdown, it is also extended till 17th of May 2020. So guys, it is not in your hands, but at the same time now you will have to accept this. So you will have to accept that the exams are going to be conducted. So guys, now many of you were asking us in the comment section that when the exams can be conducted, will it be conducted during this lockdown or it is going to be conducted after the lockdown, as well as regarding the gaps, will there be any gaps in between the remaining examinations or it is going to be conducted all together like one day one examination, and will there be any gaps in between? Suppose today is your geography, so tomorrow it will be continuous, or is there any gap in between? So friends, do watch this video till the end, and if you find this video helpful, then do not forget to like and do share this video with your friends. So let us begin. So guys, now many of you are not happy with this decision of the council which is made by the council, but you will have to accept that the remaining examinations, they are going to be conducted. Although the situation is worst at this particular time and the lockdown is also extended, so it is quite obvious that till 17th of May 2020, so within this lockdown the exams cannot be conducted. But when the lockdown is going to be over, then surely your exams will be conducted, because it is officially confirmed by the council that the exams will be conducted, and they have also talked regarding the results within 6 to 8 weeks after the conduct of the examination. The results, they are also going to be published in the official website. Lockdown, suppose it is not extended after 17th of May, so your exams, the revised dates, it can be decided by the council at that particular instant, and hopefully I don't think so that in the month of May the exams can be conducted. Most probably it will be conducted in the month of June. So the final dates, it is going to be decided by the council only. So most probably the exams, they are going to be conducted under strict precautions, under the guidance of the supervisors and invigilators, and at the same time you all will have to wear a mask and go for giving your examinations, because as you already know that the council, it cannot take any risk regarding your health. And at the same time, the second thing regarding the gaps between the examinations. So as you already know that the council, in the notice which was released, they have mentioned that the remaining examinations, they will be conducted even on Saturdays and Sundays. That means if Saturday and Sunday will also be included, then it is quite obvious that there won't be any gaps in between. There are 6 to 8 subjects. So for ICSE class 10, there are 6 subjects overall, and talking about ISC class 12, so there are overall 8 subjects. So most probably there won't be any gaps in between, because the council has also made it clear that it is going to be conducted even on Saturdays and Sundays. So there won't be any gaps in between. And before this notice which was released, many of you have already started with the preparation for your class 11. But now, since the board examinations are going to be conducted, so it is quite obvious that now at this particular time the study pattern, it has been disturbed completely, and your class 11 preparation, it cannot be done at this particular time, because you are going to be in lot of confusion, because once you do class 11 preparation, once class 10, so in this way you are not going to remember anything, you are not going to retain anything in your brain. So it is now, since the council have also made it clear that the exams are going to be conducted, so it is quite obvious that now you cannot be preparing for your class 11, because the remaining examinations, as you already know that it is going to be conducted, so it is quite obvious that you will have to prepare for the remaining subject. And the council has said that after the conduct of the examinations, 6 to 8 weeks के अंदर आपका results publish हो जाएगा. So 6 to 8 weeks means hopefully 2 months. So 1.5 months or 2 months it can take. So it can be the results, most probably it will be released in the month of July. So don't exactly know when will the new sessions begin, because there is already so much of delay. So hopefully if the lockdown, it is not extended after 17th of May, then your examinations, it can be conducted, or if it is extended further, so during this particular time in the lockdown, it is not going to be conducted, but after that it will be conducted. So friends, this was the video, and what's your opinion regarding this? Do write to us in the comment section. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind. Thank you.